I removed the strut tower brace and I removed the electricals. I'm fixing to install the cold air intake. If you've watched What's in the Box series that I've done here the last couple of shorts. So I finished the install on this cold air intake. So I'm going to do a cold start on the car here in just a moment. Everything's installed and the car appears to be running correctly. Alright, so this is my 96 Mustang GT. I graduated high school in 97. I'm slowly building the car that I wanted to have my senior year of high school. Please like and subscribe if you want to follow this story.